What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in to Stock Essentials. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. We make weekly videos on stocks, options, as well as some personal finance videos. But let's get started into this video. So today we're going to be going over the AMD stock and a strategy you can use on this stock if you are pretty bullish on this stock to make some pretty good returns. So what we're going to be doing is a strategy called the put credit spread, which is a neutral bullish strategy, and we will be doing it for half a year out. Let's choose the January 21, 2022 strike, which is about 7 months from now. And we're going to be buying the $75 strike put, and we're going to be selling the 77.5 strike put. So it's going to be a 2-option order, and for the strategy, we're going to be receiving $128 of credit for opening this put credit spread. Of course, if you have multiple contracts, say you want to put in 10 contracts, even 100 contracts if you have that much money, basically you're aiming to double your money within half a year, assuming AMD, currently at $78, stays above $77.5 by January. And if you do, we can see here we're putting up front collateral of $25,000 and receiving $12,800 in return. So you only need around $12,000 to open this, because we're receiving some minimum credit of almost $13,000. So AMD, it's a popular stock. It's been growing pretty recently, and with the chip shortage, it's had some sell-offs. But if we can see some recovery in this stock, there's a huge demand for microchips, and if AMD is able to supply it, they can completely surge in price. But at this price point of around $70, $80, $90, it's been pretty flat. It's been pretty much consolidating around that range. And we can definitely see AMD staying at around $70, $80 by January. And if that happens, we'll be pretty much doubling our investment. We'll be making $12,000 if we buy 100 contracts of this put credit spread. So it's pretty good. So this is a lot better strategy than outright buying 100 shares or even more than 100 shares. Because if AMD stays flat all the way until January, we will be making $12,000. We're pretty much doubling our investment, while the shareholders are pretty much gaining nothing, because the stock price is remaining flat and there's nothing really going for them. So with the strategy, we're pretty much capitalizing on time decay. Just hopefully the stock will bleed out over time. The best case scenario, of course, would be AMD steadily rising in price, but if it stays pretty flat, we will still make money slowly due to time decay. So the only risk with this is if AMD goes below $75 by January at expiration, which is highly unlikely. But if that happens, then we will lose our initial investment. So you don't want to throw all your money into this position. You want to throw in what you're willing to risk. This will be a strategy that will allow you to double your money fairly safely within half a year, which is a pretty good investment return on your investment. So if this video helped you at all, please leave a like. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Of course, it helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.